Natural greenery or plants brighten up your room and add a positive vibe to your setting. When you add the same plants in beautifully designed jute planters or baskets, then it gives a different dimension to your room. These are the stylish and beautiful rope planter baskets perfectly hide these black or brown color planters. Due to the classy look, they have made their place in home furnishing and decor all over the world. Hello everyone. So these planters are not only looking beautiful but also very easy to make at home. Today I will show you 3 methods to make these planters. Watch this video till end and choose whichever method is easy, or you may also try all the 3 methods to make these stylish planters. To make these planters, we need some materials. These are jute and macrame rope. I have purchased these ropes online from Amazon. This jute rope is 2 mm in size. In macrame rope, one is 2 mm and another one is 4 mm in size. Next you need a glue and a carton box. For the first method, I'll start with this planter. Take a cutout from the carton box like this. I have to cut the edges of this carton. I have finished cutting this side. Now I'll use a stapler and pin at both the sides of this carton. For the base, I need 2 cutouts like this. Now I'll paste these cutouts. Press it tightly. Here I am done. The base is ready now. I have done spreading glue at this side. Now I'll take the jute rope. Always go for 4 mm size of rope. It saves your time while making it. I don't have 4 mm size of rope now, so I am using 2 mm size of rope to cover this part. It's done now. Let's cover the rest part. Here I am using a different pattern to give it a different look. Spread the glue and rotate the rope around the planter like this. I'll also add at the end edges and a few lines inside of this basket. Now I'll add these tassels to the planter. It is completely optional. You may use it or may not. It is up to your choice. To make the tassels, I have used knitting thread. the tassels are ready. Now I'll attach these tassels at both the sides of this thread. I have covered this side with plain white sheets, so the first planter basket is ready. Let's move on to the next method. For this method, I have taken a container and added a layer of powder on it. Now I'll wrap this container with this plastic wrap. Minimum 5 to 6 rounds of wrap is necessary for this planter. Now I'll cover this side first with jute rope. Let's cover the whole part like this. Here I am done. Now press it gently and let it dry. So here I have taken out the container and here is the bag. Let's move on to the next method. For this method, again I have taken a cutout of carton box. I'll do the same process as the first method. Only extra thing I'll use kebab sticks for making the planter baskets. Let's see how I make it. So here I am done and the planter bag is ready. So these are the stylish, budget friendly and easy making rope planters. Pick any method that you found easy for you and try making these pieces at your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do comment below and let me know which of the 3 methods was easy and which planter you like the most. And yes, subscribe to this channel to see these kinds of fun DIY projects in future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.